Hey everyone, today we will be looking at Scoro CRM tutorial. In this guide, we will walk you through managing your contacts, compiling codes, handling projects, generating reports, invoicing clients, and bringing everything together in customizable dashboards for daily use. Upon logging into Scoro, your dashboard is the first thing you see. It can be customized with widgets and metrics relevant to you. Two essential buttons to remember are Help and Settings. The Help menu provides access to various materials in our Help Center. The Settings button offers configuration options relevant to the current page. To begin working with a client, add them as a contact through the Quick Actions menu or the Contacts view, where you can see a list of all contacts. Contacts are categorized into two types: people and companies. Customization is available under Contact Settings, and features such as bookmarks, filters, summary bars, and list views function consistently across Scoro. Filters allow precise control over displayed information, such as isolating media industry contacts who lack future activities, ensuring timely follow-ups. If this is a frequent task, save the list as a bookmark for quick future access. Bookmarks can also be marked as favorites for accessibility across different views. To modify contact information, click on the company or person icon, where you can input details such as phone numbers and email addresses. Team members, such as a salesperson or project manager, can be linked to a contact. Defining whether a contact is a client or supplier allows for streamlined sales processes, including predefined pricing and discounts. Once saved, all related information becomes visible in the contact view. This includes relevant details, associated people and companies, and files stored via integrations with Google Drive, Dropbox, or an FTP server. The Plan Activities section displays upcoming tasks and calendar events, while completed activities appear under Past Activities. A Comment sections allows for notes and discussions. Scheduling meetings is simple with Scoro's calendar, which provides an overview of personal and team schedules. Filters and customization options enable tailored views, and events can be linked to specific activities to track time spent efficiently. Meetings are logged automatically into work reports, reducing the need for manual time tracking. Creating codes in Scoro is a simple yet powerful process that enhances efficiency in sales management, including the Quick Actions menu, the codes list, or the pipeline view, ensuring flexibility in different workflows. Contact view, the client field is automatically pre-filled, reducing manual input and speeding up the process. To maintain consistency and accuracy, products and services can be added from a pre-configured catalog, with Scoro intelligently handling descriptions, pricing structures, and margin calculations. Internal cost details remain hidden from the customer, ensures confidentiality. Once finalized, a code can be sent in just 2 clicks as a PDF attachment via email, leveraging Scoro's customizable templates for a professional presentation. Users also have the option to tailor design elements independently or seek assistance from Scoro's onboarding expert. Advanced customization. For seamless communication, Scoro offers built-in signature and SMTP settings, guaranteeing secure and efficient email delivery. Managing codes is intuitive with the list view and pipeline view, allowing users to monitor opportunities as they progress through different sales stages. The pipeline report provides valuable insights into sales forecast, expected revenue, and overall business performance, enabling data-driven decision-making. Once a client confirms a code, it can be swiftly transitioned to the completed status, next phase of the sales process, such as invoicing or project execution. Scoro's comprehensive coding system, businesses can ensure a structured, transparent, and efficient approach to sales management. The Quick Actions menu, Projects list, and Client view. Project templates help simplifies the setup of common project types. Codes can be converted into projects with details such as client and estimated duration pre-filled. Budget estimates are automatically added based on quoted price, enabling comparison of plan versus actual cost. Simple or detailed budget options are available for customization. Additional settings include project name, deadlines, assigned team members, and visibility restrictions. Tags facilitate searchability, and longer projects can be structured with phases and milestones. Once saved, the project view presents an overview similar to the contact view. Tasks are created from the Plan Activities section, the task list or quick actions. To save time, tasks can be generated from a code, refilling essential information, linking tasks to activity types ensures accurate tracking of work time. Projects with multiple phases, such as preparation and kickoff meetings, benefit from task bundles. The planner assigns tasks efficiently, while the utilization reports provides insights into team workload distribution. Project progress can be monitored in the project list views. Views can be saved as bookmarks for quick reference. The work report with various filters allow detailed analysis, such as viewing a specific team member's work history or grouping data by projects to assess team-wide time investments. Financial reports present an overview of codes, income, and cost, customizable by project, client, and other parameters. Once it is all set, let go of invoicing. Invoicing can be done in several ways, with the easiest being transferring information. This eliminates the need for manual entry, saving valuable time. Additional billable activities not included in the original code can be added from the work report, which lists completed activities, after which a Create Invoice button appears. Chargeable expenses linked to a project can also be included in the invoice. Once finalized, the invoice is saved and sent as a PDF email attachment. Invoice templates are fully customizable, and once payment is received, the invoice can be marked as paid. Integrations with accounting software such as QuickBooks and Xero ensure automatic synchronization of invoices and payments. The work report can be configured using multiple filters to highlight key data. Save filtered views allow quick access to frequently needed reports. Financial reports provide a comprehensive overview of revenue and expenses, which can be filtered by project, client, and other categories. Dashboards unify all critical business metrics, offering a powerful reporting tool for monitoring team performance, projects, and overall business health. Custom widgets and metrics present key performance indicators, action items, and reports at a glance. Different dashboard views cater to specific teams, projects, or business needs, ensuring everything stays under control. And that is all there is on Scoro CRM tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.